So avoid it. Avoid the seafoods. That's why I eat only fish. And not all the fish. I choose the one with white meat. Like this one, sea bream. And I think sea bass. Sea bass, nagel or lapu-lapu. Isda sa bato, parrot fish. Mm, anything with white meat, yani, it's okay. Aywa, almost finished. I almost finished the fish. Mm. They eat only pizza, guys, for dinner. So I eat fish. Because no one will eat this one anymore. I eat the leftover. Mm. Almost done. Almost done eating. Almost done with our dinner. Oh, yan. Simot lahat ng ating fish. Ooh. Miskin. Miskin fish. Guys, tumatawa yung katabi ko dito, guys. Pero nahiya siyang lumabas sa camera sa video. Audience impact lang siya, guys. Audience impact. Yan, we're done. Woo. I'm back now with my live session because I'm not busy anymore. We finished transfer. So I cannot eat the pizza, guys. I'm sorry. I'm full. So we'll not eat pizza now. We'll eat again tomorrow. Because according to Baba, after Shwaya, after a while, I will be hungry again because he believed that fish is light on the stomach only. So you will feel hungry right away. Okay? So you will be, it's not like heavy on the stomach when you eat fish. That's why they don't eat it like in Ramadan. So because it will keep them like hungry easily. But me, I'm okay. And then we need to drink like lot of water. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Thank you for watching, guys. And thank you for listening. I'll see you again tomorrow. Please like, share, and subscribe.